Hello, today we're going to make some cupcakes. A nice easy recipe using an all-in-one method. So you start by weighing 3 eggs. Remember whatever they weigh, and this is the same weight that we're going to use for flour, which is self-raising flour. And then for caster sugar, and then for the soft margarine, also the same weight. This is soft margarine, which means you can get away with not having to cream your butter and sugar together first. If you were using proper butter, then you'd need to cream them first. It's a lemon cupcakes, so I'm going to add the zest of a lemon to it and then pop that in, and then we're going to add half a teaspoon of self-raising of baking powder. Not strictly necessary, but it really helps with the rising for a lighter, fluffier texture. The whole lot then gets whisked together. Once it's nicely combined, it's going to get put into cupcake cases. So this started off with, so it's 3 eggs and then the same weight for your other ingredients. So you've got 24 of these out of that. They then are going to be put into an oven. The oven is a fun oven. It's heated to 150 degrees C. Up they rise, and once they're there, it takes about 15 minutes or so. After 15 minutes, just give them a light tap just to see that they spring back nicely to the touch, slightly golden brown. Pull them out, leave them to cool. I'm going to do lemon icing. So you want the juice of your lemon mixed together with icing sugar. I've not actually measured any of these. I just sort of add a little bit of one and a little bit of the other until you get to the consistency that you're after. A little bit of juice goes a really long way in mixing the icing sugar, so best to keep it fairly dry if you're not sure. Just add the juice a little bit at a time. Ice them all.